When most people think of buying land in warm climates, they might imagine the beaches of Florida or the deserts of Arizona. But did you know that many other areas in the US offer affordable land in warm and sunny locations? Whether you're looking to build a vacation home, retire in style, or start a new life in the sun, there are plenty of options available. In this video, we go over 10 places in America to buy cheap land in warm weather areas. Starting at number 10, Cochise County, Arizona. Cochise County is located in southeastern Arizona, and it's known for its stunning natural beauty and diverse landscape. The county covers over 6,000 square miles and offers a wide range of outdoor activities, including hiking, camping, birdwatching, and rock climbing. One of the main attractions of Cochise County is the Chiricahua National Monument. The monument covers over 12,000 acres and features unique rock formations, hiking trails, and stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The area is also home to a diverse range of wildlife, including black bears, mountain lions, and pronghorns. Cochise County also offers affordable land for those looking to build their dream home or start a business. The county has a thriving agricultural industry and is home to several small towns and communities. The cost of living in Cochise County is lower than in many other areas in Arizona, and the warm, sunny climate makes it a popular destination for retirees and snowbirds. Number 9. Brewster County, Texas. Brewster County is the largest county in Texas, covering over 6,000 square miles of land. Located in the Big Bend region of the state, it offers stunning landscapes, clear blue skies, and endless opportunities for outdoor adventure. The county is home to the Big Bend National Park, which covers over 800,000 acres of land and features some of the most stunning landscapes in the state. Visitors can hike through the Cochise Mountains, explore the Rio Grande River, or simply enjoy the vast open spaces of the Chihuahuan Desert. Aside from the national park, Brewster County offers a range of outdoor activities for visitors and residents alike. The county is home to several state parks, including the Davis Mountains State Park and Big Bend Ranch State Park, which offer hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. Brewster County also offers affordable land for those looking to build their dream home or start a small farm. The county has a strong agricultural industry, and residents can enjoy fresh produce from local farms, including pecans, grapes, and citrus fruits. Number 8. Lake County, Florida. Lake County, located in Central Florida, is known as the lakefront capital of the world due to its abundance of over 1,000 lakes. This makes it an ideal location for anyone looking for a waterfront property in a warm climate. Lake County is situated just a short drive away from the bustling city of Orlando and its famous theme parks, yet still provides a serene and peaceful atmosphere for residents. The county is also known for its charming small towns and historic districts, such as Mount Dora, which boasts unique shops, delicious restaurants, and a lively arts and culture scene. The county's lakes offer a variety of water activities, such as fishing, boating, swimming, and water skiing. Lake County is home to the Harris Chain of Lakes, which spans over 8,000 acres and is a popular spot for recreational boaters and fishermen alike. Number 7. Newton County, Arkansas. Newton County, located in the Ozark Mountains of Arkansas, offers a rural paradise for anyone looking for a warm climate and a peaceful way of life. With its breathtaking landscapes, stunning forests, and affordable land prices, it's the perfect place to escape the stresses of city life and reconnect with nature. The county is home to the Buffalo National River, which offers some of the most scenic and pristine waterways in the country. Visitors can enjoy fishing, kayaking, canoeing, and swimming in the crystal clear waters of the river. The area is also home to several state parks, including the popular Ozark National Forest, which features over 1 million acres of land for outdoor enthusiasts to explore. Number 6. Imperial County, California. Imperial County, located in Southern California, is a hidden gem that offers warm weather year-round and affordable land prices. The county is situated in the Imperial Valley, which is a desert region that produces a significant amount of the country's crops, including lettuce, carrots, and broccoli. The county is known for its diverse and interesting lifestyle, with its proximity to the Mexican border and easy access to the beach. Visitors can enjoy a variety of outdoor activities, such as hiking, camping, and exploring the many national parks and wildlife refuges in the area. The Salton Sea, located in Imperial County, is the largest lake in California and is a popular spot for fishing, boating, and water sports. The area is also home to several hot springs, including the popular Glamis Hot Springs, which offers a relaxing and rejuvenating experience for visitors. Imperial County is also a great location for those interested in starting a business or investing in real estate. The county has a strong economy and a growing job market, with industries ranging from agriculture to renewable energy. Number 5. Luna County, New Mexico. Luna County, situated in southwestern New Mexico, is a hidden gem that boasts stunning sunsets, warm weather, and low property taxes. The county's population of just over 24,000 people ensures a peaceful and tight-knit community, perfect for those seeking a quiet and affordable place to call home. One of the county's main attractions is the City of Rocks State Park, a unique geological formation that features a collection of volcanic rocks in unusual formations. The park offers hiking trails, campsites, and picnic areas, making it a popular spot for outdoor enthusiasts. The county's low property taxes and affordable land prices make it an attractive option for those looking to invest in real estate or start a small business. The county's strong agricultural industry and mining activities also offer potential business opportunities. Number 4. Pueblo County, Colorado. Pueblo County, located in southern Colorado, is a hidden gem that offers a warm climate, beautiful landscapes, and affordable land prices. The county's population of just over 167,000 people ensures a peaceful and tight-knit community, perfect for those seeking a quiet and affordable place to call home. One of the main attractions of Pueblo County is its proximity to Colorado Springs and Denver. The county is situated just 45 minutes from Colorado Springs and a little over an hour from Denver, making it a great option for those who want easy access to big city amenities while still enjoying a more relaxed lifestyle. Pueblo County is also home to a range of outdoor recreational activities, including the Pueblo Reservoir, which offers boating, fishing, and camping. The Lake Pueblo State Park is a popular spot for hiking, biking, and birdwatching, while the Pueblo Zoo is a must-visit for animal lovers. Number 3. Pahrump, Nevada. Pahrump, Nevada is a desert town located about 60 miles west of Las Vegas, and it's quickly becoming a popular destination for people seeking an affordable place to live or invest in real estate. This small town offers stunning desert views, a mild climate, and a slower pace of life, making it perfect for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of big city living. One of the main advantages of living in Pahrump is its proximity to Las Vegas. This means that residents can enjoy all the excitement and entertainment of the world-famous Las Vegas Strip without having to deal with the high cost of living associated with the city. From fine dining and world-class shopping to live shows and nightclubs, Las Vegas has something to offer everyone, and Pahrump residents can easily drive into town for a fun night out. Number 2. Marion County, Florida. If you're someone who loves nature and all its wonders, then this is the county for you. With its prime location and affordable land prices, it's no wonder why so many nature enthusiasts choose to call this place their home. One of the main attractions of this county is the Ocala National Forest, a vast wilderness area that covers over 600 square miles. Here, you'll find crystal clear springs, winding rivers, and miles of hiking trails that lead you through dense forests and breathtaking landscapes. This forest is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, from majestic bald eagles to playful otters, making it a must-visit destination for any nature lover. And finally, number 1, Mojave County, Arizona. Nestled in the heart of the American Southwest lies Mojave County, a place of unparalleled beauty and adventure. With its diverse range of land types, this county's a playground for those seeking an active and adventurous lifestyle. From desert plains to mountain ranges, Mojave County offers a landscape like no other. For the desert lovers out there, Mojave County has it all. With its warm, dry climate, this region's home to some of the most unique and stunning desert landscapes in the world. Explore the vast expanses of dunes and rocky outcrops at the Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes, or take a hike through the stunning Joshua Tree Forest. For a truly unique experience, visit the world-famous Grand Canyon Skywalk, a horseshoe-shaped glass walkway that extends out over the edge of the Grand Canyon, offering breathtaking views of one of the natural wonders of the world. Buying land in warmer weather is always a big benefit, but once you acquire land in these types of climates, you'll obviously need some sort of shelter. That's why in this video, we go over 10 tips for building a house inside your land lot. See you then.